In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play two-player on Contra Rogue Corps. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You will be able to do co-op on Contra Rogue Corps either online or through couch co-op, meaning that you will be able to share the same screen as long as you have multiple controllers connected to the same platform. So first, for you to do this, from the lobby, go over to the Prepare for Combat window, where you can browse for all the options. In there, you will be able to select Single Player, Public Room, Browse Rooms, Private Room, and at the bottom, you can find Couch Co-op, which is the focus of this video. So if you want to share the same screen, where you will be playing with friends who are on the same place as you, this is going to be the recommended option. If you want to do online, then you have to go over to Rooms. One of you will have to host a room, and your friends are going to join. For this video, I'm going to be showcasing Couch Co-op, so you should do your own research if you would like to do a public or private room instead. When you go over to Couch Co-op, what you are going to see is this window where you can connect additional controllers to have the people join the lobby. So all that you have to do now is connect the additional controllers to the console. So you will be able to connect them, and usually you have to assign a user account to that player. So if needed, assign a user account, or you can try to do it as a guest. Regardless of which option you pick, once you have the additional controllers connected, you will be able to press the respective button displayed in there. So press the options button, the share button, whatever button is displayed, and the additional players are going to connect. You can have up to 4 players sharing the same screen, and once all of you are ready with the character and all of the skills, weapons, and so on properly selected, you can start. All of you are going to do the mission together in co-op, sharing the same screen, and you will be able to swap between characters, swap between the difficulties, the missions, and so on. I hope I was able to help you on how to play two-player on Contra Rogue Corps. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.